What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with, yes, you guessed it, the R. Today we're going to be going ahead and going to, that's a fire truck. Man, something always just disrupts the video, whether it's a random thought or a fire truck, and now I'm rambling. We're going to be installing the Latch today on the Golf R. I'm going to have a little car vlog for you guys today also, because we're not only doing that, because that'll be too short of a video. We got to get some more content in that, but Latch decided to break. They're probably still actually in the last video. The trunk icon, as you see, is on, and the trunk is closed only because I got it to get to a point, I guess you might be able to see it, where I, got it to latch but not lock all the way. Crazy enough, it happened at Formula Drift. Went to get my stuff in the trunk, and it wouldn't close. Last year, went to Formula Drift with the Golf R, PCV broke. Not Formula Drift, LZ Fest. Every time I go to Englishtown, something decides to break on the car, so let's hope I go to Formula Drift, nothing breaks on the Audi, because I'm bringing the Audi to Formula Drift. Just gotta get ready for this install, and then we're gonna go to a car meet, hopefully, with the guys. And that's the sound it makes. This little ting right here. It actually is a pretty quick install, honestly, and it breaks off and goes in. There's gonna be one bolt there, it's gonna take off, and then one bolt here. And of course, regular Volkswagen being a Volkswagen, you gotta pop that down, another clip that's gonna be here that you gotta pop down. Hopefully it doesn't pop off for you guys. Same thing over here. Get that side down, this side down, which is already down from when I was actually at Englishtown trying to get it off. And then it's gonna be, if you have to pull the whole thing off, if your bolts aren't right here, which they should be, some have them on the inside, then you're gonna pull here, basically. Just show you my fingers, because it's gonna be a pull here. And then also on that side, just because there's going to be a clip here and here. So just pull left, right, and then it'll pop off. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so those two pull down. That's the clip right here and also there. So you see I got to put one of the clips back on this side because this one is still here, but I guess this is the one that fell off, so yeah, get that back on. It's gonna be two 8mm, well, not 8mm, but triple squares, M8 triple squares. They're gonna have to take off, and then there's also gonna be a plug that's behind there, which you guys will be able to see more once you pull the latch off. Then, like I said, there's going to be, if you have to pull it all the way off, you can. I'm trying to not pull the whole thing off because I really don't want to break any clips. So I'll show you here. Once you pull it down, it's going to be, of course, a regular Volkswagen clip, if you know how to get it off. I don't have two hands right now because I got my GoPro at home. But let me see if I can do this. Pushing that tab back while pushing it in. As soon as it pops out, you'll be able to pull the connector out. If you Volkswagen Audi, then you know how to get that portion off. So with this clip, what I'm gonna do is push this back while you're pulling up, and it'll slide right out, just because you don't want to break this tab, because then it's gonna be super loose. Old one, new one, got it right from FCP Euro, but the part number is actually gonna be here. I'll put the link down in the description below if you guys do need it. Also for FCP Euro, part number is going to be the 5K0A27505C. And get it clipped back in and back on. With mine was that this latch was not closing, and was causing the trunk not to actually lock. So this one does have an orientation, by the way. Flat spot, again, the big spot. It's going to be flipped this way, so the latch is going to be facing down. Just pop that in. Once that's in, of course, M8 bolts back in, and should be good to go. Yeah, I got tired of turning it, so I'm just gonna zap these on really quick. Let's pop that to 1. And there we go. Gotta tighten the rest by hand and should be all good to go. Just make sure it's snug, nothing crazy. I guess there shouldn't be any torque spec for it, but snug as a rug. Make sure she ain't jiggling, and we should be good to go. Only thing is now, the step that I don't know is, because you see, it comes with the latch closed. So I'm guessing once I unlock it, it'll pop back open. But first I'm gonna get this last clip back on, then pop everything back together. All right, if your clips do fall out, it's honestly really easy. As you see, I already got it started. Just gonna basically squeeze the clip at the bottom and slide it into the slit, which will just allow it to be able to pop back in pretty quick and easy. Just show y'all. Squeeze and push all the way to the left, or whatever it lines up with. Hopefully that lines up. Yeah, it should. Okay. And all right, looks like I did get it to fit once. So I guess, honestly, pop the end ones in first, and then get the middle ones, and it'll line up perfectly. This one on this side, though, I don't know where the clip is at. So that's just gonna be like that. It's okay. No one sees the inside of my trunk. But now I have a working trunk, and you should too. We are gonna be going to head to a car meet now, hopefully. If not, I have another clip that y'all will see, which is another car meet. But hopefully we're going to build by the way with the boys. Y'all be able to see the boys' cars. So that's back working. We're going to go drive. It's good weather outside. Yo, what's up, my people? Wait, I forgot. The video already started. What am I doing? I'm bugging. We're almost to the meet. Looks like we are going to the meet. I missed the first meet because I was hungry. And then look, long story short, I don't know why they don't have food going to a beach. On the strip going to the beach, there's no food. So I missed the first meet. They didn't miss it, but everyone was starting to leave because it was cold, which it was 80 degrees in Jersey, and somehow it's 50 degrees over in Long Island. It was 40 freaking 3 where the freaking meet was because it was out next to the water. It's hot. Jesus Christ, it's hot in here. Actually, if I do that, y'all can't hear me. Long story short, we about to head to a second meet. Hopefully this one fire too. 19-20 minutes away. It's starting to rain now, so I don't really know if people are gonna be coming. So I'm in Long Island. As you know, I was in Jersey, so I'm gonna be really mad if I miss both meets. So kind of mad that there's traffic. I'm trying to hurry up and get over there. But I guess talk to you guys once we get over to the meet, since there's freaking traffic. Yay. Alright, I guess weather update. The rain is starting to go away a little bit, so cross my fingers and across my, whatever, however you say that junk, bro. I hope I ain't come out of here for no reason. Good drive. Not really, because it's hella traffic. Get over. Listen to the symphonies as we try and dip and dive through traffic. Going to speed limit, of course. forgot what gear I was in. Bro, I did that junk earlier. I almost money shipped. Y'all did not see that. Please don't kill me in the comments. Here, I'm telling you, every time I get back in this car, like I have to get like it'd be some moments in time where it's like, bro, ever since I changed to the short shifter, it's like everything is so much closer. So I dead be, and it's crazy. I can just look down and see what gear I'm in. I dead be forgetting some, like not even forgetting, but feeling like it's in a different place. It's because everything needs to be so much further away with the APR short shifter. Everything is like this, which is good, but it's like, damn, it's crazy. After how many months, I'm still not used to this junk. They had to drive a customer's car to a Wrangler and stick. Totally different. Hop back in my car, I almost money shifted. What I was thinking is I was gonna like just put like amber wrap around the DRL, but then it's always gonna be amber. I want it to be amber all the time. What you know next month?
Really? This is my cousin's car.
Fire. Remember we sold it last time? Or no, we sold the other one. No, yeah. We had sold at the last time we went down to the bay.
Oh yeah.
He had I thought he had wheels though.
He did. He sold them.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. I was close to getting a K50. Yeah. That was a G-boy at heart. Jeez. On the way here, there was I guess there was another meet close by possibly.
Where?
I don't know.
Oh, it was probably built to the bay. Everyone leaving.
No, but people going like, I was coming on the highway right here when I was coming straight going that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it was like the opposite way. There was a wide body AMG GT.
Black?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was at the meet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it's coming. Oh, okay. I keep forgetting. Nah, everyone's from Jersey.
Had a big ass wing, right?
Yeah, big ass wing, and it was
that was at the meet.
It was a signal green G80 that was next to it too. Yeah.
Oh, that's my boy. Yeah.
What's up, bro? Jalen, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
The ball valve is so
Fire.
fucking crazy. And actually, look at the fender liner. No.
Like independently, it doesn't take much.
Damn.
But together, it takes.
I haven't sold a G500 in forever.
I know.
Never. I saw literally one the other day. That was my first time seeing one in like a year. Other than the newer ones. The newer ones, I see them all the time in Jersey. Gotta drive it.
Looks good.
Definitely gotta drive it.
Oh, you put a diffuser or you had it?
The last time?
Yeah.
I don't think last time I had it already.
I don't think you had it either.
Probably didn't.
That's fire. It looks good.
I put it on, what, a month ago?
Yeah, nah, you didn't.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah. Came out good.
The only thing I did is delete my wiper.
Yeah.
It's my cousin.
Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
About to hit the tunnel. Well, not the tunnel, but lower level. Something about to sound crazy. Love going through here, bro. Like, this is like the perfect, other than Lincoln Tunnel, lower level GW. Oh my gosh, have cars sounding crazy. I'm kind of mad that it took me through Lincoln Tunnel because I could have went through like the spot real quick. You feel me? What is that? Cross line, I think. Cross arm or belt, whatever it is. Nah, it's not belt because belt goes towards the bridge. I had to. I've never done that before. Like me, I really don't be revving my car like that. Like truthfully, I really don't be revving this junk. But for the one time real quick, you feel me? Window down, it's sounding good. It's sounding good. See, the thing is, today it was actually like good weather, and I had all the windows down today. Yo, the pops are loud. It's crazy because my car is. Like, my car is so quiet, but the pops are like loud as fuck. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, I love coming through here. This was worth it. This was worth the whole trip. It was worth the whole trip, bro. Nice little tunnel run. Hold up. People hate me. I'm sorry. People hate me. People hate us. People hate us car guys. Oh my gosh, he's about to crash. I love this car so much. Like, you see how quick it pulls, bro. Like, I love it so much. Like, seriously. Yeah, I gotta get over. Get over here. Oh my gosh. I think that was probably your first time, if you guys heard a turbo noise, that was the first time you guys actually heard the shit. Yo, no way. The shit. That was probably the first time you guys actually heard that junk. That's like one of the rare noises that happens with this car. Like, bro, I'm telling you, there's all types of turbo noises. You got the shit, you got the whoa, you got the you got the shit. Like, bro, I be getting all types of the turbo noise with this turbo, bro. Junk be sounding so good. My favorite is just that wow. The stormtrooper noise. This junk be making the freaking Darth Vader noise up in this junk. Oh my gosh. But I'm about to get to end off the video, guys. Let me get this ticket. One little pull for you guys real quick from the dig. Wait a minute, wait a fucking, sorry, my voice cracked. Wait a minute. That was more than 7,100 RPM. I'm just saying, that was more than 7,100, bro. That just like it was probably going to like 75, bro. Let me get out of here. Yo, y'all stay safe. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out before I say